In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp chat to your Squarespace website. It's an easy way to enhance communication with your website visitors and can be a great tool for improving customer service. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Common Ninja. Once you've reached the site, look for the Widgets Plus section on the main page. This is your starting point for integrating the WhatsApp chat feature. In the Widgets Plus section, you'll want to type WhatsApp chat into the search bar. This will help you locate the specific tool you need for integration. As the results show up, go ahead and click on the WhatsApp chat option. This will take you to the next step where you can begin setting up your chat feature. Now you'll want to click on the Create WhatsApp Chat button. This action will initiate the creation process for your chat widget. After that, it's time to publish your new widget. You'll see a Publish button, so click on that to make sure your widget is active and ready to be used. Once you've published, remember to save your widget. This is a crucial step to ensure that all your settings are preserved. A Save Widget button will be available for you to click on, followed by a prompt to choose a folder for your saved widget. Select the folder where you want your widget to be stored. Then click on Save Changes to complete these steps. Next, you need to copy the widget's embed code. Look for the Copy Code button and click it. This will save the necessary code to your clipboard, and you're ready to head over to your Squarespace website. Log into your Squarespace and navigate to the section where you want the WhatsApp chat to appear. Once you're there, click on Add Block. You'll want to add an embed block to your page. After selecting the embed block option, you'll need to click on Edit to access the settings where you can input your widget code. At this point, find the Code Snippet option, which will allow you to enter the copied embed data. Click on Embed Data and simply paste the embed code from Common Ninja into the box provided. Now we're almost done. Be sure to click Save to confirm and preserve all the changes you've made. This step is vital as it ensures that your WhatsApp chat widget is live and operational on your Squarespace website. And that's it! You've successfully added a WhatsApp chat feature to your Squarespace site, allowing visitors to easily get in touch with you. It's a powerful way to stay connected and enhance your user interaction effortlessly.